What's up, everybody? It's Andrew here with 765 Disc Review, and today we have the Discraft Swarm that we'll be reviewing. So this one is max weight, so 177 plus is what the sticker says on it here. So this is supposed to be kind of an overstable mid-range, and it definitely lives up to its name. So let's go ahead and talk about kind of the good, the bad, and all that good stuff here as far as these go. So starting off here, the good there, I would definitely start off with the look of the plastic. I'm not sure it gets too much better than what Discraft came out with this year as far as the Jawbreaker Z Flex plastic goes. So that's definitely a huge plus for me. Number two, it definitely does what it's designed to do. You know, if you're expecting it to be an overstable mid-range, this is what you're going to get. So definitely worthwhile on that end as well. It'll always come back, really, not even depending on what angle you throw it on. It's just one of those that always will fight back. So that's really great there as well. As far as kind of the bad goes there, a couple things for me. Number one, it's got a little bit more glide than I would like. So it says a 3 glide there. I think that is a good amount understated because one of the things I noticed here, it reminded me a ton of the Prodigy Discs A3 that I just done a review on. The flight to me felt almost exactly the same. So it's got a good amount of glide, but of course it's got that stability. So if you're somebody that really kind of likes those like chop forehands or really strong anhyzers on forehands or even backhand shots, I think you'll really enjoy this disc. So it's got that there, but for me personally, I prefer a little bit less glide on those discs because usually when this type of disc comes out for me, I'm in a bad spot or I'm in a like really short and dog leg right hole for me as a forehand thrower, or maybe even if I decide I need to use it, dog leg to the left there. But nonetheless, it's going to be really short and really hard. So for me personally, I don't love the glide there because it's going to go a little bit straighter and longer than I want this specific slot to go. But nonetheless, maybe that's a good thing there depending on what you're looking at there. As far as something else here that I noticed, for me, it almost reminded me of the Buzz, like in the hand there. It's a little bit deeper as well, I think, compared to the Justice and Deflector, which are the two kind of similar slots that I have really a decent amount of experience with. So it's a little bit deeper. Some people might love that. For me, as a big forehand guy, I didn't love it. It definitely wasn't a deal breaker for me. It's not like anything like dramatically deep that you're going to be like, oh, I can't forehand throw this, but it's definitely something that I thought to note that kind of detracted from my ability to really like this disc. And then lastly, I don't really think there's anything else, I suppose, that I can say that was too bad about it. Overall, it does what you would imagine it would do. Like I said, it'll fight out of everything there. The Jawbreaker Z Flex Plastic feels wonderful. It feels great. It's not perfectly flat, which might kind of aid in my idea of it being a little bit taller of a disc than I'm used to for that slot, but still definitely manageable for sure. So if you haven't tried one yet, definitely worth trying there, especially with how great the plastic looks there. Support Andrew Presnell as well. Happy to do that too. So check out a few of the videos I've got of me throwing it there, and you can let me know what you think in the comments as well. Thanks.